Hey guys, welcome to this video where I'm going to show you the 5 power shortcuts which many users do not actually use in their daily life. So I hope after this video many users will incorporate these power shortcuts in their daily life, in their day-to-day workflows, and it would prove to be beneficial for them. So let me begin by showing my first shortcut. So now it's kind of a pain to reach the mouse and then go to the my computer or computer in this case, in Windows 7's case and in Vista's case as well, and you take a long detour to computers. So wouldn't it be great to if I had the option to just open computer with a keystroke? And essentially there is one shortcut, and that shortcut is the Windows key, which you have in the bottom row next to Control, which has Start written on it. It's actually referred to as the Windows key. You press the Windows key plus the E key on your keyboard, E for Explorer, and you open this thing, which is exactly computer. And there are high chances that in your computer you might open your library, and for that you may want to do some other code changes, which I will not show you now. But essentially this is my whole point, that you could open your Explorer just with 2 keystrokes. Alright, so this was my first tip. The second tip, now you might want to have a quick look at your desktop anytime in your workflow. Perhaps for some reasons, perhaps you have some apps on your desktop, so you want to just have a look on your clock app, or might be your weather app. What's the weather? How's the weather? Whether it's good, whether it's dark, whether it's bad, I don't know. So for that instance you might use your Windows key plus your spacebar key, and I'm holding them currently, both of them. So now I am able to see my desktop, and the window which are open gets temporarily transparent, so I could see my background pretty clearly. Now let me release both of them. The third shortcut is the Windows key plus the arrow keys. Let me give you a scenario where you would use this shortcut, and I'll actually show you how to use it. So suppose I have my C drive opened in one window, and I press the Windows key plus the E key again to open another instance of the Explorer, and I open my D drive, and now I want to copy something from the C to the D, or might be from the D to the C, or might be from the A to the B, or I don't know whether we have A or B. Alright, then it was just something off track. I don't know. Okay, so now you would press the Windows key plus your right arrow key in this case, or your left arrow key as well, and it will align your window to the right side of your screen. Now you will want to press Alt Tab, or let me give you one more shortcut for this case. In order to switch windows, let me go back to that window again. Now having the power to use Windows 7, and if you have the arrow access, that is, if you have Windows Professional or Windows 7 Professional or Ultimate, you could take advantage of this case where you could use your Windows key plus the Tab key, and now you have all your windows aligned, and you could aligned in the sense you have the option to select both, and I'm tapping the Tab key as I toggle between the windows, and now I have this window selected, and now I could use the shortcut which I told you, and that was the Windows key plus the left arrow key, and now I have the windows aligned, and it's pretty easy now copying or moving the files from one window to another. And by the way, if you're wondering how that move and copy is changing, that's because I'm toggling between the Shift key and the Control key, and Shift is for move and Control is for copy. So I think that's pretty clear. Let me see, and the last one I'm going to show you is now let me give you a scenario once again. Okay, so now you have many windows open at a time, and this is the point where your computer might hang, your Windows might hang, and the popular shortcut you use is the Alt Control Delete one. But even if I press Alt Control Delete, as in this instance, I will first open the intermediate screen which Windows has included. I don't know whether you're seeing it right now, but I'm seeing it. I don't think that Camtasia will record this thing, but I think you see this screen which has options like log this computer, switch user, log off, change the password, and last but not the least we have the start task manager, and that's what essentially I want. I don't want to go this long to get here, So I personally use this shortcut, which is a very powerful one, and it applies in all versions of Windows, at least it applies in XP. So here it goes. It is Ctrl Shift Escape, and boom, you have your task manager directly opened. So that concludes my tips. Hope you enjoyed and learned a lot. Thank you for joining me. See ya.